Hi, my name is Jasmine Muñoz Caicedo. I am from San Pablo, Nariño, teacher Diana Carolina Ramirez, Program Bachelor of English. My research project is based on ICT. My proposal is to implement ICT in English language teaching learning strategies and develop communication skills such as oral productions, reading comprehensions, and listening comprehension. Title of the project: Improve the competencies of reading comprehension, listening, oral production, and written production in the area of English through the use of ICT in 6th and 7th grade students of the Manuel Briceño Education Institution. Content: tailored research questions, general and specific adjectives, methodology, type research schedule, references, evidence. Research questions: how do ICT is contributed to the improvement of reading competencies, listening, oral production, and grade production in the area of English through ICT in 68th and 78th grade students of English at the Manuel Briceño Educational Institution. And the educational institution Manuel Briceño is mixed institution located in the village of Briceño, belonging to the municipality of San Pablo in the department of Nariño. The students of these institutions have many qualities and specimen values. The teachers are very intellectual and very professional. General and specific adjectives. General adjective: the skills of reading, listening, oral production, and grade production in the area of English through ICT in students, improvement of the skills in 7th grades in the area of English of the Educational Institution Manuel Briceño. Specific adjectives: practice with different technological webs, tools, videos, karaoke, games, etc. Different topics, the different topics addressed in order to a meaningful learning of the English language. Identify the tools and resources of best benefit the students in the learning that students' skills the students to improve their communication and learning skill with the use of these tools. Description of the problem. Within the educational institution Manuel Briceño, it has been identified that students have low performance in language skills and competences in the area of English, taking into account the difference in learning oral production and reading comprehensions, and develop a skill in the area of English. The need to improve different strategies that allow greater growth in the learning, writing, oral and listen, expression, and reaching the necessary level in the area. Methodology. Diagnose phase 1 observations and recognitions of the problem designed. Phase 2 planning and instructions of the instructions on or interventions. This intervention application of the proposal. Phase 3 action or implementation. Analysis of results. Phase 4 reflections and evaluations. Analysis of the work carried out. Research type investigations, descriptive, qualitative, and experimental. Planning, construction of the instruction of interventions design. The idea arises from propositions, the strategy in the use of technological elements such as and computers and tablets for the development of the proposal topic in the area of English. Using educational videos, games, and online exercise. Use the tools of YouTube, Duolingo, among others A search and selections is made among the technological tools and online exercise for the proposed topics to view the lab with the students. Here are some web tools used. http://www curso de inglés, YouTube y karaoke. Analysis of the work carried out. The implementation of web tools in the English area gives favorable results for students. We can observe that there is more participation, improvement in oral expression and grammar. With this strategy implemented in the methodology in the teaching and learning of the English language, it was possible that general rate in the student interest in learning, greater participation, and the interesting experience for the teacher when observing the result. When evaluating the topics that span the area. However, we observed that it is not only possible to work with technological tools, a person and develop a class in the classroom also generates learning and is vital for students. Like us demands much more from the student: respect, responsibility, disciplines, and commitment. Research schedule April 25, 26 and 28, May 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 9, 10, 11, 17, 18, 19 and 24. June 3, 6, 8, 14, 15, 16. References: Andrea Lizazoian, Amalia Ortiz. Utilización de una herramienta TIC para la enseñanza del inglés en un contexto rural. Colaborador de DocuSign, 19 de mayo del 2021, en la Universidad de Zulia, Facultad de Ingeniería, Venezuela. Evidence. Finally, attendance and institution certification. Thank you.